Good morning, dear children. Every morning is a beautiful morning. Today, I want to start a new lesson, that is Unit 5th. In this lesson, you can learn about the different animals. Yes, you can see in the picture the kitten. Yes, kitten are the young ones of a cat. You can observe Unit 5. Let us begin. Observe the pictures and talk about them. You can identify which are the animals are here. Yes, here you can see the bird and also the animal. You can see here the puppy, duckling and the kitten. You love the pet animal. Okay, so in this lesson you can learn a small story first. Let us listen. Can you believe a cat can respond emotionally to human sorrows? This story appeared in the English magazine Tomorrow. Bill, the cat, was at home while his master was away on a trip. The man was seriously injured in a railway accident. During this trip, he died a few days later in a hospital. Yes, children, in this story, there was a man. He has a small cat. Okay, he went on a trip. Yes, it was loving very much to that man. One day, what happened? He went on a trip. Trip means went to another place to travel. In that trip, what happened? The man was seriously injured in the railway accident. Then he died after few days in a hospital. At the burial means the action or practice of burying a dead body. Yes, if you died, you will be buried. Like that, the man took to a burial. At the burial, the man's brother was shocked to see the bill. The bill was a cat. Yes, it came to the burial site. The faithful cat has travelled to the far away hospital graveside. Yes, it came to know his man is not there. He died. Then, by the sense, it came to the burial site. Looked at the coffin with tears in its eyes. Yes, he died like that. He came to know, and tears are coming in the cat's eyes. And then had returned home. The cat returned home. Is this not an example of an animal love towards the human? Yes, we love the animal very much. In this lesson, you have to look, you can learn more about adopt a pet. What is the meaning of it? Adopt means accept as your own. So, in this lesson, you can see the zoo. You can see the different animals in the zoo. Let us read. Adopt a pet. Adopt means accept as your own. Mona likes the local zoo very much. Mona is a girl. She loves to go to the zoo. She enjoys visiting it. Yes, she wants to go to the zoo. She enjoys to go to the zoo. What she'll see? Yes, she can see the different kinds of animal. It has different kinds of animal. The animals do not live in the cage, but in the place they are used to the zoo. The zoo makes the place for them. For example, an ice machine. you can see the penguins. Ice machine makes the penguin swimming pool very cold, making it suitable for them. Okay. Mona enjoys watching the chimpanzees. Chimpanzees also live in the zoo. Okay, children, when you visit, you can see the different animals in the zoo. They live in the cage. Cage means pen. With that, there were the trees. Cave means a hollow or in a rock or hill or a mountain. Okay. There was a small lake also. Lake means a big pool. A swimming pool will be there no? Like that it will be. There are the about 15 chimps. Okay. How many chimps were there? 15 chimps were there, including 4 babies. You can see in the picture there is a chimpanzee. Okay. Their babies are carried everywhere. Where they will go, they will carry their babies also. They feel secure because they have a similar atmosphere as in the forest. Yes, the chimpanzees, they will carry their babies with them. Okay, children. So you can see here in the picture, the chimpanzee is carrying a baby with it. Next, Mona visited to the bird sanctuary. Mona also liked watching the birds in the ivory. Yes, where the birds kept in the ivory. A small net will be there. You can see in the picture also, children. And ivory is a small forest with a wire net over and around it. Yes, Mona is watching the birds also in the zoo. The birds can fly about and build their nest in the trees. They will build the nest. Nest means home of a bird. Okay, so they will build the nest in the trees. Many of the birds are very beautiful. You can see the beautiful birds in the bird sanctuary. Okay, some like the pelicans are very large bird and ivory can accommodate bigger birds also. A variety of birds are seen here. Okay, children, you can see in the picture the different birds. Okay, it is an interesting to observe their movements in it. So in the zoo there are the different animals. Okay, they need money to feed. Yes, the zoo need money to feed the animal. Some people adopt animals and pay for their food. Okay, they love the animals. They'll adopt. Mona has adopted a small monkey. What she has adopted? She has adopted a small monkey. She sent rupees 20 every month to the zoo. How many rupees she will send? Rupees 20 to pay for the monkey's food. Okay. Yes, she wanted to adopt a tiger, but it is very cruel animal. Tigers need meat every day. It's a wild animal. She cannot adopt it. To provide food for them would be very expensive. Expensive means costly. Okay. Monkeys eat nuts and fruits which are cheaper, which are less in price. They will like to have. They love to eat bananas. Okay. And nuts also they'll eat. So Mona adopted a monkey. Yes, children, I think you have understood the lesson. This lesson has adopted from Hello English Pupils Handbook, Orient Logman. Okay. Next, you can learn the meanings of the word. Cage means pen or buried enclosure. Cave means a hollow in a rock. hill or a mountain. Lake means a big pool. Adopt means to accept as a own. Expensive means costly. Thank you children. I'll give in the next class the notes.